Insect resistance. Two types of insect resistance, physiological and three types of insect resistance, physiological, biochemical and morphological. First is morphological features of plants. Example, hairiness of leaves. Hairiness of leaf resist leaf beetle in cereals, jacids in cotton, turnip aphid in turnip. Can resist insect. Three types of features of crop plants can resist insect. First is morphological features of crop plant. Hairiness of leaves, leaf beetle in cereals, jacids in cotton and turnip aphid in turnip. Plant color, non-preference. Red cabbage and red-leaved Brussels sprouts are less damaged than green varieties by butterflies and other lepidopteran insects oviposition. For oviposition. Red cabbage and red Brussels sprouts, butterfly and other lepidopteran insects. Bollworms prefer more green cotton plants than red ones. Green cotton plants, bollworms. Thickness and toughness of plants, non-preference. Thick leaf lamina resist cotton jacids. Thick leaf lamina resist cotton jacids. Thick leaf lamina resist cotton jacids. Physiological factors, high osmotic concentration of cell sap in cotton resist the jacids. Exudates, example leaf hairs of Solanum species, secrete gummy exudates. These exudates trap aphids and Colorado beetles of Solanum species. So physiological factors like high osmotic concentration of cell sap, like in cotton, by high osmotic concentration of cell sap, cotton resist jacids. Then exudates, like leaf hairs of Solanum species, secrete gummy exudate. This exudate traps aphids and Colorado beetles of Solanum species. Third is the biochemical factors most important for non-preference and antibiosis. High concentration of gossypol resist cotton plants, cotton pastes. High silica content in rice resist shoot borer. So biochemical factors most important for non-preference and antibiosis, which type of factor of crop plants that is most important to non-preference and antibiosis? Biochemical factors. High gossypol content in cotton resist the cotton insects. High silica content in rice resist shoot borer. Four types of insect resistance. First is non-preference or non-acceptance or antizenosis, features of the host plant. Non-preference or non-acceptance or antizenosis, non-preference or non-acceptance or antizenosis, features of host plants. In cotton, red plant body, smooth leaves, nectaryless and fragobract resist ball weevil. What is the example of non-preference or non-acceptance or antizenosis? Red plant body, in cotton, red plant body, smooth leaves, nectaryless, fragobract resist ball weevil. Red plant body, smooth leaves, nectaryless, fragobract resist ball weevil. Antibiosis. Example, adverse feeding of resistant host plants. Adverse feeding by tannins, heliosides. Antibiosis, example, high level of gossypol in cotton resist bollworms. High level of silica in rice resist shoot borers. So antibiosis, adverse feeding of the resistant host plants, adverse feeding by tannins and heliosides. Antibiosis. Then tolerance. Example, sorghum resist shoot borer. Sugar beet and brassica species resist aphids. What are the examples under tolerance? Sorghum resist shoot borer. Sugar beet and brassica species resist aphids. Sorghum resist shoot borer. Sugar beet and brassica species resist aphids. Then avoidance or escape. Early cultivation or earliness of early maturing varieties. Early maturing cotton varieties escape pink bollworm that occurs in late season. Pink bollworm infestation that occurs in late season. Avoidance or escape. Early cultivation or earliness. Early maturing cotton varieties escape pink bollworm infestation that occurs late in season. Genetics of insect resistance, three types genetics: oligogenic resistance, less durable; polygenic resistance, more durable; cytoplasmic resistance, example maize resist European corn borer by cytoplasmic genes. Three types of genetics of insect resistance: oligogenic resistance, less durable; polygenic resistance, more durable; cytoplasmic resistance, example maize resist European corn borer by cytoplasmic genes. 6 methods of breeding for disease and insect resistance. First is selection of resistant plant from a commercial variety. Selection is the cheapest method. Selection of resistant plant from a commercial variety. Kufri red potato, disease resistant selection from Darjeeling red round. Kufri red potato, a disease resistant selection from Darjeeling red round. What is the example of selection? Kufri red potato is a disease resistant selection from Darjeeling red round. Then introduction. Example, Kenya wheat was introduced in India. It is highly susceptible to loose mud, but it is rust resistant. Ridley wheat, introduced from Australia, it is rust resistance. Introduction, Kenya wheat was introduced to India. It is highly susceptible to loose mud, but it is rust resistance. Then Ridley wheat, it is introduced from Australia, and it is rust resistance. Mutation. Two types of mutation, macromutation and micromutation. Macromutation, large change in qualitative characters, easily identifiable, and micromutation, large change in quantitative characters, small change in quantitative characters, not easily identifiable. Macromutation and micromutations are studied in terms of mean and variance, probability. So mutations, two types, macromutations, large changes in qualitative characters, easily identifiable. Micromutation, small changes in quantitative characters, not easily identifiable. Macromutation and micromutation are studied in terms of mean and variance, probability. Example, CO8153, an induced mutant from CO775, highly resistant to SMART. So CO8153, an induced mutant from CO775, highly resistant to SMART. CO8153 is highly resistant to SMART. CO8153, an induced mutant from CO775, it is highly resistant to SMART. Hybridization, most common method for disease resistance, hybridization by backcross method, transfer oligogenic characters, and hybridization by pedigree method, transfer horizontal or polygenic characters, polygenic resistance, horizontal resistance or polygenic resistance. Hybridization, most common method for disease resistance by backcross or pedigree. Somaclonal variation seen in plants that have been produced by plant tissue culture. Disease resistant somaclonal plants are obtained by screening or regeneration by pathogen toxins. So somaclonal variation seen in plants that have been produced by plant tissue culture. Disease resistant somaclonal plants are obtained by screening, either by screening or by regeneration by pathogen toxins. Then genetic engineering by biotechnology develop transgenics. Example, BT cotton varieties resistant to cotton bollworm. Transgenic variety developed by genetic engineering, example, BT cotton varieties are resistant to cotton bollworm. Resistance governed by single gene or monogenic resistance. Wheat resistant to green bugs. Raspberry resistant to aphids. Rice resistant to plant hoppers, leaf hoppers. Cotton resistant to jassids. Monogenic resistance or resistance governed by one single gene. Wheat resistance to green bugs. Raspberry resistant to aphids. Rice resistant to plant hoppers and leaf hoppers. Cotton resistant to jassids. Oligogenic resistance, wheat resistant to Hessian fly, barley resistant to stem saw fly, and alfalfa resistant to pea aphid. Wheat resistant to Hessian fly, barley resistant to stem saw fly, and alfalfa resistant to pea aphid. Oligogenic resistance. Then polygenic resistant, wheat is resistant to cereal leaf beetle, rice is resistant to stem borer. In polygenic characters or polygenic inheritance or polygenic resistance, wheat is resistant to cereal leaf beetle and rice is resistant to stem borer. Vertifolia effect, term was given by van der Planck. German potato variety Vertifolia. Resistant genes are R3 and R4, resistant against late blight of potato. Vertifolia effect is nothing but an epidemic development in a variety that carry vertical resistant genes and have low level of horizontal resistant. Vertifolia effect leads to heavy economic losses. So Vertifolia effect term was given by van der Planck. German potato variety Vertifolia. Resistant genes are R3 and R4, resistant against late blight of potato. An epidemic developed in a variety that carry vertical resistant genes and have low level of horizontal resistance or HR, leads to heavy economic losses. Then gene for gene hypothesis given by Flor, or called as Flor hypothesis in 1956, by studying host pathogen interaction in flax. The pathogen is Melampsora linii that cause rust in flax. Gene for gene hypothesis, each gene controlling resistance in host, there is corresponding gene controlling pathogenicity in pathogen. Host resistance is governed by dominant genes and pathogen virulence is governed by recessive genes. So gene for gene hypothesis or Flor hypothesis given by Flor in 1956 by studying host pathogen interaction in flaxseed. The pathogen is Melampsora linii that causes rust in flax. Gene for gene hypothesis or Flor hypothesis is each gene controlling resistance in host, there is corresponding gene controlling pathogenicity in pathogen. Host resistance is governed by dominant genes and virulence of pathogen is governed by recessive genes. Boom and bust cycle.